on TikTok. Yeah. Welcome to another vlog. So I just got to Walgreens to pick up my man's surprise. He has no idea. If you watched my last vlog, Alexis and I did the beer poster challenge. It was a lot of fun. It's a lot harder than it looks. If you don't know what that is, it's where you model your man's favorite beer wearing a sexy bikini. It went viral on TikTok, I want to say last year, but we finally got around to doing it, and it's been a little over a week. I've been tracking my poster and it just got here, so I'm really excited. I'm about to pick it up. I'm going to go home, frame it, and then wrap it. I've been keeping it a surprise. My man kind of walked in on me when I was editing the picture, but he didn't see any of it. I just told him it was a surprise. So he's been anxious to find out what it is. He has no idea as far as I'm concerned, but he's been trying to find out, asking me questions nonstop. So I hope he loves it. I'm gonna film his reaction, so I can't wait to see what he thinks. The beer poster challenge is kind of pricey in my opinion. My man's favorite beer is Miller Lite, and that costed $9.99. I'm gonna make a TikTok video on how much everything costed. That's why I have a list here. The poster was $16.61. I used a coupon code through Walgreens. I think that was 50% off because the poster was originally $30. I ordered the biggest size, 24 by 36, so it's gonna be huge. And then I got my frame from Michael's, which was $23.99. Again, I used a coupon code there. I think the frame was originally $30, so almost about $50, but I think it's gonna be worth it. I'm really excited. I just got a package from Ilio's Lighting in the mail today. I'm so excited to review this ring light. This has been trending on TikTok as well. My best friend Priscilla is the one that told me about it, so shout out to you, girl. I love you. She's the one that told me about it. I reached out to them and they were nice enough to send me the ring light, so I'm gonna make a whole YouTube video dedicated to that. And I haven't opened it yet because I want to do an unboxing as well. And then for dinner, I'm going to be making Leanna Deb's pesto chicken pasta. She's a fitness influencer and this recipe looks so good. I got all the recipes last night. It's about 3 o'clock. My man and I already went to the gym, so after I get the poster and give that to him, I plan on filming a hair tutorial. I might bake some cookies later. And yeah, it's just the perfect Saturday. Next week is my girlfriend's bachelorette, and then a few weeks after that, we're gonna be in Vegas. So it's an exciting month. Okay, let me stop rambling. Let's go get the poster. Make sure you're following me on TikTok and on Instagram, and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. All right, he's in the other room. I don't think he's trying to listen, but I'm just gonna try to be quiet just in case. This is the frame I got. It's nice. And this is what the came in. Oh, it's kind of bent. It's a little bent up. God. I wish they packaged this better. It's a little bent. Let's go give it to him. All right. Do you have any guesses?
No.
Come on.
Well, I just saw the size of it, so maybe a printed out picture of our wedding, from our wedding.
Aww. Anything else?
No, that's the only guess I have.
That's it? All right. Well, I hope you like it.
Looks like the size of a big check, though.
Yeah, that would be nice. Okay, so here you go. I hope you like it. It's called the beer poster challenge. It's been on TikTok. Yeah. It came a little dented up, but
oh my God, I don't know how I feel about this. Wow, babe, that's sexy. I'm gonna put it in my office at a place called Miller Time.
We just hung it in our office. I like it. I don't love it because it is bent in a lot of places. So I might order another one because I'm a perfectionist. And the Miller Lite looks a little pixelated to me. I mean, maybe I'm tripping. It doesn't look so bad on camera, but yeah, I might reorder another one. Like I said, it was about $15 with a coupon, so not too bad. I do love the frame. I think it's really nice. I wanted to get a gold frame, but this was the closest that I could find. Yeah, my husband was definitely shocked, as you could see. I'm gonna film a hairstyle to post as a reel in a little bit. And I also made Jennifer Garner's apple muffins. These are so delicious. I'll have the recipe for these linked in the description box. And this is my light that just came in the mail. It's 5:47. I got a little distracted. I had to make some posts on social media. I figured I should unbox my ring light now so I can use it for my hair tutorial. So that's what I'm gonna do. She's heavy. If you've never heard of this brand before, this is supposed to just be the best ring light on the market. It's a mirror, but you can take the mirror out, and it has a little attachment for your phone so you can film your content with great lighting. Oh, so here's the phone holder attachment, plugs. And this is the stand. Oh my God, holy guacamole, this is heavy. This is where you would plug your phone in to charge it while you're creating your content. That is so cool. The mirror rotates, which is nice. And then to take it out, you just press on the top here and it slides right out. If you want to connect your phone, you just pull this down and then you just slide this in. It holds your phone like that. How cool. I'm so excited to use this. I'm gonna use it right now. Thank you, Ilios, for sending me this. This is so nice. I'm gonna get so much use out of this. I just did a basic hairstyle. I didn't want it to take too long because I'm running behind on time. My bestie called me and we were catching up. I haven't talked to her in forever, over the phone anyways. It's about 8:30 and I'm barely getting started on dinner, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna make cookies or not. So these are all the ingredients for the pesto chicken pasta. I'm really excited to make it. I'm boiling my water right now. I'm gonna make a reel and I'll have her recipe linked in the description box as well. I did it! It looks delicious and it tastes delicious. It's 9 o'clock. I made that pretty quick. It took me less than 30 minutes and I learned that I need a bigger pan because it was overflowing. So I was just at Home Goods looking at the kitchenware too. I knew I should have gotten a bigger pan, but this just confirms it. So this was a lot of fun to make and it's really good. Just finished up cleaning up the kitchen. My man and I are about to go downstairs and get some ice cream, but check this out. I got these from Marshall's. They're ice cream holders. It looks like an ice cream cone. How cute is this? I took the price tag off, but I think it was $5 and I really want to use it, so we're gonna grab some ice cream. These are so cute and I think it's the perfect serving size. I mean, if anything, it's probably a little bit bigger than I should have, but my husband and I have been finishing the whole pints of ice cream that we have been buying lately, so I think this is really good to help us hold ourselves accountable. Right? Do you think a pint will fit in here, babe? Or do you think it'll be like half a pint?
Everybody will think I'm famous.
You look famous.
Yeah, so what I like to do is deprive myself for 12 hours and be miserable and stuff my fucking face for about 2 hours straight.
Interesting. Is this the Chris diet? I like it.
Get out of my face.
So, oh no, get out of your face. So what's your thought process here? So I like getting dairy free sometimes. It's not as fun. I've tried the bananas Foster. It's not good. Sorry. I wish they had chunky monkey non-dairy. So I think I'm just gonna get the peanut butter half-baked. Did you like the poster? Did you? Did you like the poster? They want to know.
I'm not talking to you. Yeah.
He's still too stunned to speak.
You said you were taking that down here for you, not me.
He's still too stunned to speak.
Why are you filming this?
Look how cute those look, and it actually took a little less than half the pint. I love these. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Make sure you're following me on TikTok and on Instagram, and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. Alexis and I are going to the Rose Garden tomorrow to get some content, so stay tuned for that vlog. I'll see you in the next one.